Hey friends, Allison here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a new 6x8 scrapbook layout. It is a pocket page layout. One of the pockets is 4x6, the other two are 3x4, and I'm pairing it with a 4x6 inch photo that is going to be an insert, and it's outside of the page protector. I'm using products from Ellie Edwards. Specifically, I am using the Write Story kit from May this month. I'm also using some star pattern paper that I had in my stash. It came likely from one of the scrapbooking kits from last year from Ellie Edwards. I'm not 100% sure, but I really liked it paired with the speech bubble from the Write Story kit. I added my journaling to the speech bubble. I printed it, typed it out on my computer, and then printed it with my home printer, as I did with the 4x6 inch photo that I'm working on right now, and then the 3x inch photo. I used one of the chipboard shapes from the kit as well. It has a phrase on it, something about words. I don't know what it is right now. I can't see it on the screen. I added a die cut heart from Ellie Studio. It was gray. It worked perfectly with the grayscale color scheme that I have going on. Later on in the video, I decided to add some acrylic hearts that came from Close to My Heart. They are retired, but I do believe they still carry acrylic shapes, so I will be sure to link Close to My Heart and Ellie Edwards and all the products that I used in today's layout, so you are able to find them. Not all the products are current. In fact, most of them are retired except for the Write Story kit. There is still a couple days to get in on it, so if you are interested, definitely check out Ellie Studio. Not Ellie Studio, Ellie Edwards. I'm using Ellie Studio right now. The red acetate heart that I'm going to put over top of the 3x4 inch journal card, which came from the Write Story kit as well, is going to be stapled to that journal card, and that's where the rest of the red pops came from. The acrylic shapes from Close to My Heart are changeable. If you have alcohol markers, alcohol inks would work. You can change the color of those if you so choose, if you don't want to keep them white. They began white. I wanted them to be red, and so I took out my Spectrum Noir marker. It is the tri-blend marker, so it has 3 shades of one color in each pen. I pulled out the dark red and chose the shade that most closely matched that red acetate heart. And it ended up being the mid-tone of the dark red pen. So I'm just coloring in the shapes. I like to do the facing side of the shape and then all the sides. I don't like having the color just on the top and then you can see white all the way around it. So I color all the sides and the top to get around that. I'm going to use my liquid glue to attach both of those acetate or acrylic hearts as well. One is going to go in the bottom center of the speech bubble. It totally ended up being not centered, but that's okay. It is what it is. I just left it where it was. The other heart is going to go next to the gray die cut heart from Ellie Studio, and I'll be using liquid glue to attach that as well. And then with that out the way, I'm going back to the 4x6 inch journal card. I noticed there was one little spot that was still white, so filled that in. And then I'm going to go to the 3x4 inch journal card and attach the acetate heart with a mini stapler, which is also available at Close to My Heart as well as staples. Once that's done, I'm going to throw everything into the pocket page and I'm done. I do have close-ups coming up, so feel free to stick around for those. And if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and a like. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, consider subscribing to my channel. I also do Project Life scrapbook layouts here as well, which is new to my channel. Here are the close-ups. Thanks again for joining me, friends. I hope you're having a fantastic weekend, and I will catch you again soon.